But fortunately, we were saved by one of our colleagues, Pramod Sadalji, who questioned that whole approach and said, well, you say the database is hard to change. Well, let's work on that. Let's try and figure out how to make it easy to change. And he came up with a scheme that said, well, the database gets modified by a series of migrations, where each migration is very small. It might be splitting a single field into two separate columns or something of that kind, or moving a column from over here to over there. And every change not just changes the schema, but migrates any data within that, so you have the necessary DDL to migrate the data. And then that way, you can change the schema steadily all the time. And you might have a database out there in production, but you can still change it to a new version by running the migrations. And if you've used tools like Liquibase or Rails migrations or things like that, you're familiar with how this scheme works now. And in fact, this is how we work on pretty much all our projects, right? Yeah, we're still doing it. Good.